In today's video, I show you how to add structured data, also known as schema, in WordPress. Schema helps search engines better understand your content, which can improve visibility and enable rich results like star ratings, product prices, dates, and more in search listings. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and open the Plugins section from the left menu. Click Add New and use the search bar to look for a schema plugin such as Schema and Structured Data for WP and AMP or Schema Pro. These plugins are beginner friendly and designed specifically to add schema without any coding. Once you find a plugin you like, click Install Now and then Activate. After activation, the plugin will add its own settings area to your dashboard. Open it to begin configuration. One of the biggest advantages of these plugins is the ability to create rules. Rules allow you to automatically apply schema to specific content types like blog posts, pages, or products. For example, you can apply article schema to all blog posts or product schema to WooCommerce product pages. This ensures consistency across your site and saves a lot of time compared to adding schema manually. After setting up your rules, the final and most important step is validation. Validating your schema ensures search engines can read it correctly. Most schema plugins include a built-in validation or testing option. Use this tool to scan your setup and fix any errors the plugin highlights. And that's it. You've successfully added structured data to your WordPress site, helping search engines better understand your content and improving your chances of rich search results. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips.